Welcome back. It's the third place match in the TVJ Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Mount Airy Primary on 9 and Belair Prep on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's Ilana Kennedy from Belair up against Lexon Morgan from Mount Airy. Ilana, what is the area of a square if its perimeter is 60 centimeters?
15.
Would you like to try, Lexon?
Yes, thank you. 225 centimeters squared.
Correct. Ilana, what is the highest common factor of 30 and 72?
6.
Correct. What is the product of 9.654 and 100?
965.4.
Correct. What is the value of the digit 7 in 34.987?
Thousand.
Judges? Incorrect. Would you like to try, Lexon?
No, thank you.
It's 7 thousandths. Ilana, a number increased by 25% becomes 1,750. What was the original number? Would you like to try, Lexon? Lexon, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay. It's 1,400. Your questions now, Lexon. What is the area of a square if its perimeter is 68 centimeters?
289 centimeters squared.
Correct. What is the highest common factor of 16 and 40?
4.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Ilana?
Yes, Miss. 8.
That is correct. Lexon, what is the product of 0.00678 and 1,000?
6.78.
Correct. What is the place value of the digit 8 in 289,091?
100th.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Ilana?
No, Miss.
It's 10 thousandths. And Lexon, a number increased by 50% becomes 1,170. What was the original number?
Two, 3, 4, 0.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Ilana?
No, Miss.
780. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this is Jeduthan Davis from Belair up against Indira Campbell from Mount Airy. Jeduthan, which acid is the same as vitamin B9?
Folic acid.
Correct. Complete this statement with the correct word. The bone in the upper arm is called the?
Humerus.
Correct. Which vitamin helps in the clotting of the human blood?
Vitamin K.
Correct. Basalt is an example of which type of rock?
Igneous.
Correct. And in humans, where is bile stored?
Gallbladder.
5 for 5 for Jeduthan. Indira, which acid is the same as vitamin C?
Ascorbic acid.
Correct. Complete this statement with the correct word. The smallest blood vessels in the body's vascular system are called?
Capillaries.
Correct. Which vitamin helps the body absorb calcium from our food?
Vitamin C.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jeduthan?
No, Miss.
Vitamin D. Indira, slate is an example of which type of rock?
Igneous rocks.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jeduthan?
Yes, Miss. Metamorphic.
Correct. And Indira, in mammals, the ureter conveys urine from which organ to the bladder?
The kidney.
That is correct. We move on now to English language, and this is Captain Coyote Mitchell from Belair up against Jacob Buchanan from Mount Airy.